took my trades for today. As you can see, it was a losing day, my worst losing day in a while. Um, I'm not gonna lie to you, I feel kind of bad right now. Um, yeah. So today, honestly, I felt kind of rusty. Haven't been on the charts in a minute. My back testing, I lost the account because I cleared my cache and my cookies on my browser, trying to fix my account. That was like a couple days ago now. So, yeah. I'm trying to get that account back. I'm pretty sure I will. Just it's gonna take a second. Um, but yeah, so pretty much what I saw going into today was this. So initially, as you can see, the overnight session price sweeps midnight price, so we kind of sweep it in the London session, and we come down. So that's telling me that we're bearish for today. Also, we respect this gap, so I'm pretty bearish. We also have SMC at these highs from yesterday, so that's what I'm seeing. But when market opens, that's not the case. We just kind of explode up during market open, kind of accumulate a little bit, and just kind of go up, just explode up. So then I'm more like, okay, we're gonna go up, and that's when I changed my bias. Marked out equilibrium of the range yesterday, and you can see that once we hit this 1 hour fair value gap that's in the discount of the range, that we go up. So I'm like, okay, so now I have an actual reasoning behind that. So let's go into my entries. So right now for the first trade I took, good idea, just wasn't the right. I wasn't patient enough. Wasn't the right time. So you can see we have high impact news at 10 o'clock. That's a mistake I made. I traded before 10 o'clock during the macro. I should have waited for I should have waited to see what high impact news did. That's the mistake I made. So my entry was this. So essentially, it's like this. We inverted a gap on ES. See, we invert this gap on ES. And we also respect this 2-minute OB. So when I saw that, I was like, okay, I like that, aiming for midnight price. So that's what I was looking at, and that's what I was looking for. Obviously that doesn't happen. Why? Because wasn't enough liquidity in the market. As soon as high impact news starts, which is a couple minutes later. Well, before that, I get stopped out. I actually ended up moving my stop down to here because I wanted to see how we were gonna respect this, if we were gonna respect this gap. Ended up not doing that. Yeah, we're just spilling right now off of midnight price. But I took 2 trades today, so I just wanna. So this is the first trade, and then obviously midnight price comes down, manipulate. Sorry, it's just people cutting the grass in my neighborhood. So high impact news, manipulate, respect this 5-minute gap, explode up. And I just should have been more patient. I mean, I would have taken this right here. See, we respect my level, would have taken this. I would have had it been like that. That would have been the ideal trade for me to take. Didn't take that. midnight price. Midnight price. I end up taking a trade near midnight price. Obviously, we sweep it. Saw us retrace to this gap. Respect CE. Good close. Inverted the gap. And honestly, shouldn't take this trade. It was a bad trade. Should have waited for 1050 macro. And yeah, it was just yeah. I mean, my draw on liquidity was obviously these highs. Not really sure about that anymore, but yeah. Pretty bad loss today on the account, but locked myself out. Yeah. One trade, good idea, just wasn't patient enough. The other trade just completely rushed, shouldn't have taken it. Like, there was obviously a point behind it. Pretty much, we closed above midnight price, and we also closed above my level. So I wanted us to respect the gap within the level and then just go up. And that is not what happened. I should have waited to see how we reacted to this gap on ES. And if we were respecting the CE, then I would have taken it, but we weren't. Or we kind of were, but we closed below at the next candle, and then, yeah. That's what I should have done. Big mistake there. I'm going to journal about it. Yeah. Definitely stings a little bit. I'm still thinking about that account I passed, but I still have the skill. I just really need to dial back in, and yeah. That's it for today. Took 2 losses on the eval. Definitely stings. Haven't taken a losing day this big in like 3 weeks or 2 weeks. It was Friday of like the first week of April, so it's been a minute. Yeah. I'm definitely gonna journal about this, and I'll be back tomorrow. I'm gonna be trading 1050 macro tomorrow, and see what comes out of that. You just gotta look at the bigger picture. Took 2 losses on the day, first day on the account. Bias was clear, but it's not really what I was looking at or like looking for. So obviously switched my bias, but yeah, a lot of things went wrong today. My psychology isn't really too good. It doesn't really feel too good right now. But yeah, so that's it for me. Hope y'all had a good trading day if you traded, and yeah. I'll see y'all tomorrow.